Game begin.
You are invited to participate in the grid game A3-DTF Printer Challenge. Here are the rules. A minimum of 1 and a maximum of 5 people per team. But you do not compete against each other. No, you play for survival. It is a 10-day competition. Day 1, Level 0. You will be given a full working day of machine and facility orientation training, including the machine's purpose and functions, as well as a tour of the showroom and technical department, where you get to meet the team and learn more about the company's basic operating functions. Days 2 and 3, Level 1. You have 2 days to completely strip an A3-DTF printer to its bare core. Every component must be pulled apart. You are to bring your own toolbox and anything you feel may help you, and you will be given your own private location that gets locked up at the end of each day. At the end of Day 3, your work will be evaluated, and if successful, you will advance to Level 2. If not, you will be eliminated. Days 4, 5, and 6, Level 2. You have 3 days to reassemble the A3-DTF printer. Your work will be evaluated at the end of Day 6, and if the printer is in the exact state that it was at the beginning of the competition, you will advance to Level 3. If not, you will be eliminated. Days 7, 8, 9, and 10, Level 3. In this level, additional components necessary for the game, such as a printhead, inks, printing medium, and software, are to be installed to make the A3-DTF printer start printing DTF films. Players must ensure that the machine prints artwork correctly. They can utilize the showroom equipment, such as powder applicators and heat presses, to produce a final product. You have 4 days to figure out how the A3-DTF printer works, and are to produce a professional product with no flaws at all. By the end of Day 10, if the team can produce a final product that meets the quality standards of our showroom samples, they win the game. The winning teams get to keep the machine, software, and any other provided components as their prize. If they fail to meet these standards, they leave empty-handed. Interested? WhatsApp GAME to 060 600 6000 to purchase your ticket.
Game over.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines, we fix machines, we teach machines, and we feed everyone in the process. Just for you.